Hello students, today we discuss about Lami's theorem. In your body, three forces acting at a point, then the force is proportional to sine of angle between other two forces. Three forces A, B and C. The force A is sine of angle between B and C forces. Then the angle is alpha. The force B, sine of angle between A and C forces. The angle is beta. The force C, a sine of angle between A and B. The angle is gamma. The mathematically you can write as A by sine alpha equal to B by sine beta equal to C by sine gamma. The Lami's theorem states that if there are three forces acting at a point being equilibrium, then each force is proportional to the sine of angle between other two forces. Problem: determine the tension in the springs that support a lamp fixture as shown in the figure. In this diagram, they given the lamp weight 25 Newton, two springs, one from at A 45 degree, another at B 60 degree to the wall. Draw the free body diagram. Three forces A, B and lamp weight 25 degree. From B the 60 degree, from A 45 degree to the spring from the wall. From B 60 degree from the wall to spring, it is opposite to the at point center C. So we can write as 60 degree. From A 45 degree from wall to spring, it is right angle to C point. So we can write as 90 minus 45 degree equal to 45 degree. In Lami's theorem, the three forces acting at a point. Then the force at A is sine angle of between other two forces. So we can write as A by sine 150 degree. 60 plus 90, 150 degree. Then equal to B equal to sine 130 degree. 45 plus 90, 135 degree. Equal to C equal to weight 25 Newton in given the lamp weight by sine 75 degree. Remaining 360 minus adding 135 plus 150. First substitute B by sine 135 degree by equal to 25 by sine 75 degree. B equal to 18.30 Newton. Then A by sine 150 degree equal to 25 by sine 75. Substitute this and get A value 12.94 Newton. Thank you.